Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can remove Snapchat account very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Snapchat and you will see profile icon at top left corner, click on it. And then you will see setting options and then log out this account. After that, you will see remove account options, click on it. And then, are you sure you want to remove this account? Then, if you want to remove this account, then click on yes. So, you can see that my account is deleted. So, in this way, you can remove Snapchat account very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.